Hello and welcome to the complete guide to home exercise program creation. I'm Joseph, your guide through this transformative journey. As a registered physiotherapist in the Philippines and a certified professional training specialist and online fitness professional in Canada, I've had the privilege of working with thousands of patients in Toronto since 2013. My passion for helping others led me to found the Health Leap, a company dedicated to making therapeutic exercise accessible to everyone. In this course, you'll master the art of designing effective and personalized rehabilitation and workout plans. Whether you're creating therapeutic exercises for your rehab patients or routines for beginners or seasoned athletes, the complete guide to home exercise program creation equips you with the tools to craft tailored exercise programs for any health and fitness level. Check out the course description, and I can't wait to connect with you inside the course. Let's make your journey to becoming a skilled exercise program creator a success.